U.S. stocks, they were trading higher in the final hour of trading Friday. This as early worries over Cyprus faded on a series of strong earnings reports. But major averages were poised to close the week lower. Now first, Cyprus pressures eased after it agreed with Greece on a takeover of the Greek units of Cypriot banks, putting an end to uncertainty over those operations. The Cypriot parliament is now scheduled to reconvene for emergency talks after the European Union issued an ultimatum to raise the 5.8 billion euros necessary for a 10 billion euro bailout package by next Monday. The European Central Bank has said that it will cut off liquidity to Cypriot banks without a deal. On the news, European shares today, they trimmed early losses to close mostly flat. And now, with no major U.S. economic reports on Friday, oil prices up by nearly 1.5% and the euro currency rising to trade steady against the greenback. It looked to be quite the active and volatile finish to not only the trading session, but the week as well. Speaking of which, let's take a look now to see how the Dow Jones has fared this Friday. The Dow is on the upside, 90.54 points to settle in at 14,512.03. In a breakdown of today's major market movers, we first begin with shares of Apple, which traded higher on speculative reports that the tech giant will unveil the iPhone 5S and the iPad 5 on June 29th. That date would mark the 6th anniversary of the introduction of the original iPhone. Meanwhile, BlackBerry dropped sharply as the company's new BlackBerry Z10 went on sale in the United States at AT&T stores across the nation to not much fanfare. Meanwhile, amongst earnings, Nike soared after the sports apparel retailer reported quarterly earnings that easily beat estimates. And lastly, Tiffany rallied after the jewelry company said it sees worldwide sales gaining 6 to 8% this fiscal year.